Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a reading on your person. We're going to see their overall energy toward you. We're going to see how they feel about you, how they view you, what they could be hiding, and then we're going to see their next actions toward you. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Okay, Cancer. Let's see how your person sees you. They see this as a very strong connection with that Lovers. Very strong soulmate connection, but they feel like there's some sort of repeated patterns of betrayal or, you know, fallouts or fights or just huge huge fights. I almost said rows, but it's a British term. They feel like they're just unhappy. Or they feel like you are. They feel like you're unhappy. They feel like you keep repeating major cycles. What is that Nine of Cups reversed? Yeah, it's like you're not getting what you want. What you want is a relationship. What you want is a connection. But you guys just can't get on the same page or something like that. What's this Ten of Swords reversed? There might be some sort of lie that was exposed that happened in the past that somebody just can't get over. One of you or both of you. How do they feel about Cancer? How do they feel? I feel like how do they feel? I feel like they are worried or stressed over taking any type of action toward you, or they might even be worried or stressed hearing from you. How do they feel? I feel like this person is quite decisive. Or maybe you are. They feel like you guys are in a break. There's a break of communication. There's this mental overload. There's a need to, you know, be in solitude. They might want to reach out, but I don't see them doing anything. How they feel about you. So Eight of Wands. They feel like that if they do reach out, it would be to end this. That's literally what I got. If they do, like, I don't know, because it's almost like they want to take action, but to surrender this. Maybe that way they can alleviate this stress that they're feeling, this feeling of maybe things being up in the air with some sort of break you guys are on. What is Cancer's person hiding from Cancer? You could have children with this person. They feel like they need to be protective or defensive over something to do with finances or a family dynamic, something that was a missed opportunity, something that they might have put effort into or something like that. What are they hiding? Yeah, it's almost like they need to stand up for their beliefs of like what they want. What's a 7 of Wands? What are they hiding? If you weren't with this person, they could have gotten some sort of proposal from someone, or maybe they're like back on the dating scene. I feel like this person's loyal to you or something like that. I don't know why I got that. Like, they might be getting a lot, like having a lot of suitors at this time or something like that, and they feel like they need to defend themselves because this 10 of Pentacles is sort of like still in the back of their mind. I don't know if that's with you or with someone else, but the Star, I don't know, they're like hopeful. They're trying to heal right now. I feel like this person's like in this energy of pretty happy. They might be in like a new connection or something. If this is what they're hiding, they might be in a new connection. And they feel like maybe they're going to have to defend themselves to you about that new connection. That could be it too. What's their next action toward Cancer? Also, what they could be hiding is maybe they're going to show up with some sort of offer of this family and heal something. Give me one more on that Knight of Cups, 7 of Wands. Yeah, I don't feel like they want... I feel like they're resisting some sort of change. Okay, their next actions toward you. 5 of Pentacles, King of Swords, 4 of Wands, Temperance reverse. So there is a lack of imbalance, or there's a lack of balance. The masculine here might feel left out in the cold or be going through some sort of financial difficulty. But I feel like the masculine does want to come together with that 4 of Wands. But what is the Temperance reversed? I mean, I feel like you're married to this person or something. With the Hierophant and the Three of Cups, it's almost like a hastiness to reconcile a connection, or, you know, a commitment, you know, because that's what the Hierophant is. There is like this, I see you guys getting together, or maybe this person is communicating to you that they want to get together, but there's still an imbalance about reconciling some sort of commitment or higher level of commitment. Give me one more on that Temperance. Oh, not four more. One more, Spirit. The Magician, but I think that this is what this person wants, or this is what they're trying to create, or this is the block. Or, sorry, I was going to ask, what is the block? What is the block for this person creating this Hierophant Three of Cups? What is the block? Maybe an apology? Maybe opening up with emotion, maybe getting some sort of information about something. 2 pages. I feel like communication, you know? Communication with the page energy there. I'm not really getting a bad vibe. This Ten of Swords reversed is giving me like fighting and then avoidance. Fighting and then avoidance. Because you have the Ten of Swords, which talks about, you know, it can talk about betrayal, obviously. I would hope you wouldn't betray somebody over and over and over again. But the Ten of Swords reversed is something that we do repeatedly. And it's like just sort of like a pattern at that point. Okay. What would this person say to Cancer? I'm not getting a bad vibe though. The Masculine, if he does come in to talk, I'm not getting a bad vibe or a malicious vibe or anything like that. I do feel like this person, I feel like the two of you are clashing on how to make something work or something like that. What does this person say to Cancer? I know deep down that you are my one true love. Please wait for me just a little bit longer. I'm determined to make things right. I'm dealing with a difficult situation. Our connection is divinely guided, and you're the only person for me. I mean, I didn't see any like third-party situations. It's a little iffy over here with this Seven of Wands, and it's almost like this person is going to feel like they need to defend themselves around some sort of offer. I don't know why. What advice do you have for Cancer about this connection? Let go of control issues. Oh my goodness. Flyers, flyers. True love, unrequited love. Very soon. Healing family issues and past life relationship. What's very soon, Spirit? What's very soon? Trust. The situation is calling you to have faith. Yeah, I feel like you guys are just in a bit of a... I feel like you guys are in separation. I feel like Spirit is asking you to let go of control issues. In one way or another, this is a past life relationship, so you have known each other before. One or both of you need to heal family issues. What is that unrequited love, Spirit? Why is that here? What is the block like in this dynamic? I feel like one of you or both of you has a lot going on. Maybe there's a lot of pain in this connection. Maybe there's a lot of heartbreak in this connection. Maybe there's a lot of unhappiness at times. What's that Two of Pentacles reversed? Yeah, I feel like there's like somebody feels trapped or somebody feels uncertain or both of you feel uncertain. With that Seven of Pentacles, I do feel like it's a good investment, whatever this is, but it's still at the same time, it's like one of you or both of you is just not happy anymore, or one of you needs a new perspective in something. One of you might need to take accountability with that judgment as well, or have some sort of like an awakening. But I mean, Spirit is saying very soon, and to let go of trust issues here, or control issues here. Dokie, and then who could Cancer be dealing with at this time? We have Scorpio, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces, and Leo. That's what I have for you though, Cancer. I am accepting personal readings now. The information for that is down in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed the reading. I also got a new camera. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm excited about that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great week. And I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.